Welcome to HN Steno classes. Dictation start. It has been observed that for some time past, the number of suspended employees of the board is on the increase, and in majority of such cases, the allegation against the employees concerned even do not justify a minor punishment. According to journal principles to be observed in such cases, suspension should not ordinarily be ordered unless the allegation made against the official concerned are of a serious nature and on the basis of the evidence available, there is a prime facie case for his dismissal or removal, or there is reason to believe that this continuance in service is likely to cause embarrassment or hamper the investigation of the case. In other cases, it should suffice if steps are taken to transfer the pension concerned to another place to ensure that he has no opportunity to interfere with the witnesses or to hamper with the evidence against him per change. Since the suspension of employee on flimsy grounds results into financial loss to the board besides causing undue harassment to the concerned employees, it has been desired by the board that the various competent authorities should be very careful in dealing with the recommendation of suspension which are received from the various quarters. It should be ensured that suspension of board employees should be resorted to only when the likely punishment is dismissal or removal from service, and when there is likelihood that the official and officers, if retained on those posts, are likely to destroy the official record or to win over witnesses for their defense, and it would not be in board's interest to retain the employees on active duty while inquiry against them proceeds. Para. It has been further decided that a charge sheet to a suspended employee should be served within a period of 1 month, and that in case it is not so served, the competent authority who has suspended the employees must seek an extension from the next authority for another 1 month. In the case of suspensions ordered by various chief engineers, the next higher competent authority to extend the period by 1 month would be the administrative member of the board. Further, it has also been decided to delete forthwith the existing provision of automatic reinstatement in the event of non-service of a charge sheet within 1 month of the date of suspension. Full stop.